if you guys have watched archery, it's insane because these guys are God knows how far away from this target, and you just watch the close-up solely for the close-up where they're just like, and then it's just bullseye.
I'll tell you what, if I wasn't watching you do that and I had to guess what that sound was, I would have guessed archery. That's pretty good. That's a pretty good archery sound.
I think it's a subpar pick. Great sound effect.
Yeah. No, the pick sucks.
Yeah, I think.
But the archery sound effect, I'd take that in the first round.